In front of me is Samsung Galaxy F56 and today I would like to show you how you can add a password to Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to click on Google. Then choose All Services. Scroll again and click on Autofill with Google. Now choose Google Password Manager and tap on Add Password. Following that, input all of those informations. At the top, you can type in any website or hit Select App and tap on a chosen one. Then enter your username, email or phone number, password, and even take some helpful notes. When you finish, hit Save at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!